अफगानिस्तान की जमीन पर तालिबान ने आतंक मचा रखा है। आलम यह है कि तालिबान ने एक बार फिर अफगानिस्तान पर बड़ी कार्रवाई की है। इस बार तालिबानी आतंकियों ने कंधार जेल को तोड़ दिया और कई राजनैतिक कैदियों को छोड़ दिया गया। इससे पहले भारत ने अपने नागरिकों को अफगानिस्तान छोड़ने की चेतावनी दी थी और मजार शरीफ दूतावास से अपने डिप्लोमेट को वापस बुला लिया था। इंडिया टुडे की फॉरेन अफेयर्स एडिटर गीता मोहन ने तालिबान के प्रवक्ता मोहम्मद सुहेल शाहीन से बात की और तालिबान के सामने भारतीय दूतावास की सुरक्षा का मुद्दा उठाया। इस पर तालिबानी प्रवक्ता ने कहा,
two parts of the story or of the kind. One is belongs to us. We have issued statement that we are committed to the security of all diplomats and embassies in Afghanistan. Not once, but on many occasions and many times, there were remarks by the spokesman of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Mr. Zabihullah Mujahid, and also statements from the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. And the other is the concern of India. They are taking their diplomats from those areas for their own reason, for their own concern and worries. That is up to them. But what was related to us, we have already.
अफगानिस्तान से ऐसी खबरें आ रही थी कि पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भारत के खिलाफ अफगानिस्तान में प्रॉक्सी वार की जा रही है। जब तालिबानी प्रवक्ता से तालिबानी आतंकी के पाकिस्तानी अस्पतालों में इलाज किए जाने की खबरों पर सवाल पूछा गया तो उन्होंने इन खबरों को निराधार बताया।
Many of those allegations are made in India, so they have no basis. And also we do not want and also that I think originating from rivalries of you against Pakistan. But the fact is, we are the liberation force. We are the people of Afghanistan. We were fighting against the occupation. It is our legitimate right to have a free country, independent country, as you have, as your people struggle against the British Raj. We have the same right. So we have the same goal. So those other allegations, they are not correct. We have hundreds of clinics in our administration areas, and already we are cooperating with ICRC, we are cooperating with emergency hospital, we are cooperating with the United Nations. They are helping us.
अफगानिस्तान की शांति प्रक्रिया में सभी पक्षों को किसी एक समझौते पर राजी करने को दोहा में शांति वार्ता हो रही है। तालिबान ने साफ तौर पर कहा कि भारत जब तक मौजूदा अफगान सरकार और तालिबान के बीच निष्पक्षता से काम नहीं करेगा तब तक दोहा वार्ता में भारत की भूमिका मजबूत नहीं हो सकती।
I think it is very important for India that as we have receiving reports that they are supporting the Kabul administration with military hardware, which is used by the administration against their its own people. Right now, we saw in Lashkargah, Helmand province, that hospital was bombed, clinics were bombed, also high school, and also a cotton factory, very old cotton factory from the time of Dawood Khan. It was bombed by the same weapon. So it is very important the impartiality. They should be with the people of Afghanistan rather than a government which is imposed or which came into being a result of occupation.
तालिबान ने एक बार फिर दोहराया कि उनके राज में अल्पसंख्यकों और महिलाओं के अधिकार सुनिश्चित किए जाएंगे।
Do not have any problem with women having access to education and work. That we have said time and again, but only they are Muslim women. They may have Islamic hijab. That is it. And right now, in areas under our control, the high school, girls' high schools, universities, where the women also receiving education, they are operative. There is they have not been restricted from their work and from receiving education.
इसके साथ ही तालिबान ने साफ तौर पर कहा कि वो मौजूदा अफगान सरकार को सत्ता से बेदखल करना चाहते हैं और उनके सामने समर्पण नहीं करेंगे। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, भारत तक।